If you dream of writing a book, there is a reason for it. It means that your spirit guides want you to write it. They know the world needs your wisdom, and you're the only one who can share it and change people's lives in the process. If you don't do it, no one will, because there's only one you. My name is Yamile, and I'm a spirit guide medium. And nowadays, I'm also an award-winning Hay House author. But in 2018, I was where you are now today, watching an ad for the Writers' Workshop and wondering if I should go. I had already applied to their Diverse Wisdom Initiative and didn't get in. It hurt to be rejected and made me wonder if I was even good enough or if I should just give up. I'm sure you know what that fear of failure feels like, right? But my spirit guides kept sending me signs to keep trying. So I did. I bought a ticket, went to the workshop, wrote a book proposal, and signed a book deal with Hay House before the end of the year. Now I get emails from people every single day telling me how my book has connected them with their spirit guides and changed their lives forever. And I'm glad I didn't give in to my fears and insecurities, and neither should you. You incarnated on this earth to make a difference. This is your chance to create the change you want to see in the world. And if you've been waiting for a sign from your guides that you should write your book, this is it. This is your sign. So don't listen to your fears that try to hold you back from putting yourself out there and delivering your wisdom or story to the world. Don't let that stand in your way of getting your book out there. Come to the 2 days Writers' Workshop in Edinburgh, where you will learn which book to write first, how to tell your story in a compelling way, why a book proposal is so important, and everything else you need to know to become a successful author. I'll see you there.